The Broken Toy Repair. Once upon a time in a quaint town, young Ava discovered a dusty old toy repair shop nestled between the bustling stores. Intrigued by the forgotten treasures within, she entered and met Mr. Franklin, the elderly owner, with a twinkle in his eyes. The shop was filled with broken toys, each holding a tale of abandonment and wear. Irene, Ava's mother, had taught her the value of compassion, and the sight of these discarded playthings tugged at her heart. Ava, brimming with determination, decided to breathe life into the forgotten toys. She spent hours with Mr. Franklin, learning the art of restoration. As they worked side by side, a unique bond formed between the wise craftsman and the spirited girl. Together, they transformed the worn-out toys into radiant masterpieces, each one carrying a story of resilience and renewal. Word spread about Ava's magical touch, and soon children from the town started bringing their broken toys to the little shop. The once deserted place now buzzed with laughter and excitement as Ava and Mr. Franklin embraced the challenge of healing every fractured doll and shattered truck that came their way. The community witnessed a beautiful transformation, not just of toys, but of hearts touched by the magic of restoration. Ava's endeavor inspired not only the children but also their parents, who began to appreciate the profound lesson embedded in the broken toy repair shop. It became a symbol of hope, reminding everyone that even the most damaged things could be revived with care and dedication. The town experienced a shift in perspective, embracing the idea that every individual, like a broken toy, deserved a second chance. As the seasons changed, so did the inventory of the little shop. The shelves that were once lined with broken toys now showcased a vibrant array of rehabilitated playthings, each radiating joy and gratitude. Ava and Mr. Franklin, with their teamwork and unwavering spirits, had turned a forgotten corner of the town into a beacon of optimism, teaching everyone the profound lesson that sometimes, in the process of fixing others, we discover the mending power within ourselves. Irene, Ava's mother, watched with pride as her daughter blossomed into a compassionate young soul, realizing that the broken toy repair shop had not only transformed discarded toys but had also become a symbol of resilience, kindness, and the limitless potential for positive change within a community. The once forgotten shop now stood as a testament to the enduring beauty that emerges when compassion and determination unite to repair the broken pieces of the world. In the twilight of Mr. Franklin's years, Ava continued the legacy of the broken toy repair shop, passing on the art of restoration to a new generation. The quaint town, once marked by neglect and abandonment, now thrived as a community bound together by the belief that every broken thing, whether a toy or a heart, could find healing in the hands of those willing to repair and restore. The broken toy repair shop had not just fixed playthings, it had woven a tapestry of compassion, unity, and the enduring power of love.